Hey guys, what is going on? Today we got a brand new video. Today we're going to be doing some sequential Fender lights. I'll get into it into a second, but today is Jace's birthday. If you guys don't remember Jace, he's been on a couple videos recently, but in the summer of 2019 when I owned the Mazda 323 and had my red speed, he was there like every video. So if you guys remember him, it's his birthday. Obviously I live 3 hours away from him now because we obviously lived in the same place and I moved away. So I traveled down for his birthday and we're going over to Sammer's garage right now, and I'm gonna go surprise him because he doesn't know I'm down right now. So we're gonna head over there and then we'll start today's video and we'll get started with the Fender sequential turn signals. So let's go ahead, let's get started. So he's at Sammer's garage right now. We're gonna roll in. Let's get a little rev match, you might hear it. So Sammer's garage is closed. There's Jace's car. They're inside. He's gonna open it. Sammer, how's it going? What the hell? So we're gonna do a video on this next video. So, what do you do, man? Crack cocaine.
Oh, you stop that like that.
Okay, Jace, go to the trunk. Grab
Which parts? No, go in. Oh, yes. Yes, that's right.
Yeah, here we go. You guys see that? Shee! And then you just go.
Oh! Ah!
Peekaboo! Ow. Are you okay, puppy? Little peeksy poo.
Made in China. Oh.
Booyah! They're LEDs.
Keep going.
Oh. These LEDs. Oh my lord. Look at this. We got.
Alright guys, so today, like I mentioned earlier, we're going to be doing these sequential turn signals on the Mazda 3. So we're going to be replacing the OEM turn signals, which is just a basic bulb, and we're going to be doing a sequential. So you guys can see the sequential LED in there, and what it does is go bloop, bloop, and these are super easy to do. That's why we're going to be doing them today for Jace's birthday, to give him some old classic, yeah, old Shaniqua Mach. I assume, don't we have to raise the car up?
No, there's two things, okay? There's two ways. A, like this one, if it's really stuck, you may have to go from the fender well. B, on my car, I didn't. All you have to do is if you're able to wiggle this a little bit more, which even this one, probably if you just focus, you got the little tab right here. So this tab, basically what you do is you want to take this, you're going to pop it in between, so pretend this is on the car, and you're just going to push this tab back and pull it out and it comes out. Don't ever do that again.
Oh.
Another second, you can see it right there.
Okay.
He sees that.
Okay, Sammer, so what did you do?
Thing is like that, right?
Let's put it back in.
I don't know, because I don't want to put it back in. What if we can get back out? Slid it on this side because we had it the wrong side. Kind of just pushed it in and then comes out. Actually, we're going to leave this on just so it doesn't fall inside and then we get screwed.
If you guys don't want to spend time taking your wheel off when you're just doing like a quick mod and you guys don't necessarily have the tools to maybe take your wheels off. So Sammer's going to take this side off. So he's getting in there. Just making sure. He's making sure he's got the cloth. And then he gets in there and he's going to push that clip in.
Yeah.
And then it comes out.
You can either try getting on this side to push this in and then getting it out.
Which normally you do when you take the fender off.
Yeah, which is a little bit harder. Or this way, the way we did is we pushed it so that it pushed against this naturally and then came out.
Okay, Jace, do the mods. Do the thing.
Make sure you put them in the right
It's half your car today because it used to be yours.
Do I get to drive it?
No.
So you release the clip. Right here, you push here. You go. Yee! And this plugs in here.
Oh.
Ta-da. Sammer, go away, I have one.
Oh.
Okay, here we go. Ah! Cool mod! Oh! Yo, that's spicy boy. That's pretty cool. So we got the 4-ways on, so you guys can see that. It's cool. We come over here.
Did you want to clean off this underside here before?
Nope, we're good.
Okay. Glad that was
Might do it one day.
established. No, you won't.
Check it out! LED turn. What did I hit? What did I hit?
My wall thingy.
Ow!
Garage mod?
Why isn't it up here, Sammer?
Because I had to, the cord they gave me is like 1 foot long. Not even, it's like 2 inches long. So I had to plug it in there.
Blink, blink, blink. Oh, I forgot how scratched this was from my Christmas lights. A quick, easy install. All you guys need is a pry tool, and like Sammer does the Jakey way, I would have done it and spent time taking this whole goddamn thing off.
Yeah, and we did it in 2 minutes.
We did this in 2 minutes. I thought it was gonna take a lot longer, which is kind of upsetting.
And now we can go out and enjoy the nature of Mother.
Now what we can do is go and record Sammer's rap video so we can see how Sammer did his rap on his Mazda 3.
We're gonna be singing.
Let's
all
go
the
and
time.
do that.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hit that subscribe button. There's a little bell. It tells you when this guy posts a video. Leave a comment, tell him what you think. Ask him questions. Ask him questions about turboing your 3s, guys. Because you know what? People, okay, real talk. People are so toxic. They're like, just buy a Speed. If you want to turbo a car, go experience it. Have fun, do great. Like the video. Smash the thumbs up button because we back, baby. Keep it real. Keep it real. I'll see you in the next one.